So you're a beginner trader and with little capital and you want to get funded and grow as fast as possible. So in this video I'm going to teach you a strategy that will help you pass your funding challenges such as the MyForexFunds or FTMO. So stay tuned till the end as I break down this strategy. Okay, so this strategy is known as the London breakout strategy. So the London breakout strategy works on pairs that are involved in the UK, such as the pound. In fact, any pair with the pound can work using the London breakout strategy. This is because volume comes in from the UK bank opening and stock market data. So enough of that, let's dive right into the strategy. Okay, so as you can see, I have, technically it's not an indicator, it's just something to show you when London opens and when London ends. So here's how you find it. Go to the indicators tab, quickly search sessions on charts. This one by Aurox. It will look something like this. So I want you to copy my settings so that you can have the same visible indicator as mine will look. So turn off the Tokyo, New York session and the Sydney session, only have London session. So move into the style, the color, make it a little less transparent so that you guys can see. You can have yours low, but for this video I'm going to have it a little visible. Okay, so this strategy is basically based on the volume that comes in during the London Open. So let's do a small back test on how you can catch trades using this strategy. Okay, so as of last week, what you wanna do before you enter your positions, you wanna have your demand zone drawn out. Let me change the color to a more visible one to red. Okay, so have your demand, have your supply. This is basically immediately before London opens. Keep in mind London opens when this green area, when price gets into this green area is when London opens. Okay, so price closes below and during London open you wait for the 30-minute candle to make a top wick, then enter on the flip for a short position. So this is based on your risk management. You can either have your stop loss above this range for 29 pips, you can have it in the middle of the range for 18 pips, you can have it above the current candle high for 6 pips or previous candle high for 18 pips. So what you want in this strategy, you always want to have a 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So a rule of thumb is when you enter a trade and it moves at least 6 to 10 pips into profit, you can move your stop loss to break even such that when price comes back and stops you out, you haven't lost any money. Trust me, the pain of losing a trade that was already in profit is greater than the feeling you get by gaining an extra 2 or 3 pips. So once you have, okay, we had our stops at, let me redo this. So we had our stops, give it 18 pips above the previous candle highs, at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Mind you, we brought our stops to break even once it moved at least 6 to 10 pips into profit. As you can see, this trade worked out beautifully, but if you risked 1%, you basically made 2%, and as you know, these challenges need you to make 8% to pass, so you only need a few trades a day. That's why I keep it 1 or 2 trades a day. You don't want to overtrade. Also, another approach is once price hits at around a 1 to 1, close 50% of your position, move stop loss to break even and let the other position run. So if you took this trade at the beginning and you want to exit at the end of the London close, this is around 300 pips. You would have basically passed the challenge using only this one trade by closing half at around 1 to 1, then letting the rest run towards the end of the session. Okay, so that was the first example. Second example, the same thing. You want to have your supply, demand, support and resistance, anything. They're basically the same thing, and nothing can differentiate. I'm not gonna lie to you, they're the same thing. So price closed above during London Open, have your entry around here. Stop loss, you can have it around there. So you want a 1 to 2 so that you can have a positive risk to reward. You only need to lose 2 trades to make, you only need to win 1 trade to make 2 losses. So as you can see, a 1 to 2 worked out beautifully. 35 pips stop loss, 70 pips, more than 70 pips take profit, take a profit for the day. So basically these two, you would have passed your verification or phase 1 of the challenge, passed your verification. 2 trades are enough to help you pass a challenge. So imagine this is only British pound and the US dollar. You can use this on British pound and Japanese yen. You can use this on any pair that has the British pound. So I don't want to stretch this video out long. That's basically the strategy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. It helps the channel. You can also join the free Telegram where I send analysis and the trades I take and the weekly outlooks before each week. See you next time.